The Congress party has almost finished its first list of candidates for the Kerala Assembly election 2026. Around 50 constituencies where only one name has been agreed upon, including sitting seats, will be announced first. This announcement will come after the Pudu Yuga Yatra led by opposition leader V.D. Satheesan ends on March 7th. V.D. Satheesan and KPCC President Sunny Joseph have already reached Delhi and submitted the list of agreed candidates to Screening Committee Chairman Madhusudan Mistry. The Central Election Committee is expected to meet next week to give the final approval. However, the committee has the authority to make changes if needed. Sunny Joseph clearly said that the High Command will take the decision regarding the candidature of MPs. V.D. Satheesan also made it clear that Congress is not worried about other parties announcing their candidates early. According to him, if candidates are declared too soon and elections are held only by the end of April, it will increase campaign expenses. That would become an additional financial burden for the party. Now coming to women's representation. This is where concerns are raising. As of now, Uma Thomas is the only woman among the sitting MLAs. Mahila Congress leaders Bindu Krishna and Shanimol Usman are almost certain to be included in the list. Since the party has decided to give tickets to all sitting MLAs except in Palakkad and Tripunithara, women may not get a chance in 19 seats. Former Minister Jayalakshmi was reportedly considered for Manandawadi, but she was dropped in the final round. She was also suggested for Sultan Batteri, but IC Balakrishnan did not agree. Instead, Usha Vijayan, the Manandawadi Block Panchayat president, is likely to be the candidate. Former MP Ramya Haridas is expected to contest. In Kannur, Amrita Ramakrishnan, daughter of former Minister N. Ramakrishnan, may contest if K. Sudhakaran MP stays out. Former MLA Aisha Poti, who left the CPM and joined Congress, is almost sure to contest from Kottarakara. Youth Congress State Vice President Arita Babu may get a chance in Kayamkulam, though other names are also under discussion. Umman Chandi's daughter Mary Umman's name is being heard for Chenganur. However, she has said she has not expressed interest, and it is also said that her family is not very keen on her entering electoral politics. Overall, women may not even get 10% representation in the Congress list. Meanwhile, KK Rama will contest from Vadagara as the RMP candidate. As Kerala heads towards elections, candidate selection is clearly becoming a key talking point.